Hello friends and welcome to this video. Friends, today we showed you how you can cancel easily your Fabletics membership. So friends, follow this some tips of guide. As you can see on the screen, you can cancel and you can cancel anytime. This is the first step. So guys, there no cancellation fees. Make sure this option, friends, like any fee, zero fee to cancel. It's zero fee. And then guys, just call this number 1-844-322-5384, and then you can also cancel by contacting via message available. So guys, look for any message or request from here. So if I check this request, guys, just wait a few seconds. Help and contact. Look for any membership, for example this one, and I went to back again. Look for any contact us option and write message. You can contact via Facebook Messenger or web from here. If I check this one, click accept and write this message, write your email address, guys, click return on exchange or something like this, and write your all details and write your cancellation request. And you can call via this phone number. Just open any app, associated app calls, and write your request via calling. Only you can via a messenger, guys. You can cancellation. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.